Welcome to Blackrod, where we're installing a new large diameter gas main. This 630mm pipe is manufactured by Radius Systems. Its unique peelable skin significantly cuts down on the preparation time for joining lengths of pipe together and results in a cleaner and better joint, making the whole process quicker and more cost effective. Once each end of the pipe has been peeled, the ends are aligned in a hydraulic press and softened with a heating element before being pressed together and butt fusion welded. The outer bead can then be removed and tested for integrity, and the newly increased length of pipe pulled out from the press, ready to go into the ground.
PGL are the local delivery partner installing this section on behalf of Network Plus, delivering work for gas network provider Cadent.